Aurora from Just Tutors, and in today's video we are going to learn about pictographs. So the main subtopics which we are going to cover in this video are what are pictographs, how to interpret data from given tables, and then we'll talk about pictorial representation of numerical data. Now let's move forward. So here are a few warm-up questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume it after to check your answers. We'll pat your back if all of your answers are correct, and now let's move forward and let's have a quick introduction about pictographs. So if I think of pictograph, I can say that it's nothing but just a method of representing data using pictures. So let's try to understand it with the help of a given example here. So that's a key. So one ice cream cone means that is equal to 2 ice creams. If you have a half of that, it means that equals 1 ice cream. So let's try to figure out how many ice creams does each child have. So if I talk about Ahmed, he has got 3 cones and 1 cone equals 2 ice creams. So in total he has got 6 ice cream cones. Let's work for the next person, which is Shanti. So what we can do is we can count the number of cones, which is 2. It means she has got 4 ice creams. If I talk about Michael, he has got 8 ice creams, and if I talk about Harbhajan, he has got 3 ice creams. Now let's move forward and let's learn that how we can draw a pictograph. So we'll look forward to the given steps while we are drawing a pictograph. So the first and the most important step is to study the numerical information which is given. So in this case, that's number of students and the player liked by them. The next step is to find out the factors of all the numbers. So think of a common factor for 8, 12, 14 and 16. So we can say that all the given numbers are divisible by 2. So a common factor would be 2. And that could be our key in this case. So now there comes a question, can we think of any other number which could be the key? Well, the answer is no, because 1 and 2 are the only common factors for the given set of numbers. Now let's move forward and let's look for the next step. So the next step is to choose an appropriate symbol. So this time we are talking about cricket, so we can think of choosing a ball or a bat. Let's go for a ball here. The next step is to mark the right columns. So once we have followed all the steps, a pictograph would look something like this. So one picture equal 2 students, which means like one ball is same as 2 students. Now let's try to answer some questions based on the information related to the pictograph. So how many votes does Virat Kohli has? So what we can do here is we can count the number of balls. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. It means that Virat Kohli has got 16 votes. Because one ball means we have 2 students. Let's try one more question. So how many votes does the least popular player has? So the least popular player is Rohit Sharma, and he has got 8 votes. So that's how we can easily read information with the help of pictograph. Let's move forward. So here are a few practice time questions for you. You can please pause the video and try the given questions, and once you are done you can resume it after to check your answers. Well, congratulations if all of your answers are correct, and thank you for watching this video. For more, please visit justtutors.com.